Guys, your sneakers are meant to be worn and inevitably get dirty. It's a fact. But just because they look worn doesn't mean they're worn out and ready to be tossed. And that's why I'm so excited, because today I'm teaming up with Leather Honey to show you guys how to make your Suede or Nubuck sneakers look fresh again with their all new Suede and Nubuck kit. So let's dive into how you can easily keep your leather kicks looking new no matter what they've been through. And if you didn't know already, Leather Honey has over 50,000 5-star reviews on Amazon, is loved by many for its non-toxic and environmentally friendly formulas, and delivers jaw-dropping results. Hey Leather Honey community, you may not know me, but my name is Evan, leather expert and founder of leather restoration channel Avummies on YouTube, where I teach you how to love your leather. Let's get right in so you can simply see yourself. First off, let's go ahead and remove those laces so we can clean them off and access the sneaker's tongue area. This is an important area to clean since a lot of dirt and debris hide in there. Next, let's grab that horsehair brush included in the Suede and Nubuck care kit so that we can brush off any dirt, dust, or debris. This is vital so that we don't scrub any dirt into the leather, which can damage and stain your sneakers over time. Make sure you're thorough and feel free to shake off your sneakers outside. Next, grab yourself a microfiber cloth or clean rag, though I'd highly recommend Leather Honey's application cloth. Leather Honey's Suede and Nubuck cleaner is also safe to use on smooth leather along with most sneaker materials, so we'll be using it to fight the dirt from top to bottom. From there, go ahead and pump some Leather Honey Suede and Nubuck cleaner onto your cloth and gently wipe away the dirt. Repeat as necessary until all the surface dirt or marks are removed. Make sure to be thorough when cleaning, and know that it's really important to use a clean part of the cloth with each pass so you don't accidentally scratch or damage your leather over time. Also, you'd be super surprised how much dirt hides in your stitches, so get those as well. Yep, squeaky clean. Also, don't forget any portion of the leather on the inside of your sneakers as well. Guys, one of the dirtiest but most transformational areas to make your sneakers look like new is your midsole, especially if it's white. Simply grab your brush, block, or any hard object and lay it behind your cloth to leverage your cleaning power. This is going to allow you to scrub harder and deeper to get all that dirt from your midsole. Again, make sure to use a clean part of your cloth as you go for best results. And of course guys, don't be afraid to add more cleaner as needed, as a little can go a long way since it's turning liquid into foam. This gives you both better cleaning power and more value per bottle. Speaking of value, I always try to get the best deals on the market for you guys, so I was able to leverage my channel to get you a special discount for Leather Honey's products. Simply use code Avummies at checkout on leatherhoney.com and get 20% off and free shipping. On to the next step. Grab the Suede eraser from the kit and erase the dirt from the suede using light to medium pressure in a circular motion. Ensure that you brush off the excess shavings after each pass in order to get the best results. If you don't, you're just grinding dirt into dirty suede, which defeats the purpose. When it comes to suede, it's highly durable, so don't be afraid to ruin it with the eraser. And if you have marks or stains that aren't coming out, stay tuned for the next step. Pro tip, if you guys have tough stains or marks on your midsole, try using the Suede eraser to remove them. I found that it can do a great job, though it does depend on where the mark came from. Like I said earlier, if the Suede eraser hasn't completely removed all the dirt or stains after a few passes, you'll need to move on to the next step, which is using the Suede and Nubuck cleaner. You can do this by pumping some more cleaner directly onto a clean part of your cloth and wiping the dirt. Go ahead and repeat as necessary. Also, ensure that you wipe your suede dry with the clean part of the cloth, because if you don't, it may leave your suede stiff and rigid. And we're almost done. For a quick and effective laces clean, simply apply cleaner directly onto the laces and give them a good scrub. Repeat as necessary. If you need to rinse them with water, feel free. Once your laces have dried, simply tie them back on the way that you prefer. And if you guys have gotten value so far, please let me know by smashing that like button. And if I've inspired you to clean your suede, let me know what you'll be cleaning next in the comments below. I'd love to hear. Some of you may have cleaned your suede and it just doesn't have the same feel it had before you cleaned it. So let's fix that. Simply take the suede brush and brush it in a back and forth motion and then switch directions. If your suede still doesn't feel soft, try roughing it up with the Suede eraser and then brush it once more, and then you should be good to go. In order to prevent creasing and cracking on your leather footwear, as well as to keep your shoes looking great, it's best practice to use shoe trees, or at least to fill your sneakers with paper when they're not in use to maintain their shape. Now that your sneakers are nearly like new again, we want to keep them that way with Leather Honey's Suede and Nubuck Protector. This spray repels and protects your leather from liquids and pretty much everything else during regular wear. Simply spray about 6 inches away from your surface without oversaturating. A little can go a long way to protect your investments. And just like that, your shoes are like new again and ready to wear.